It's new bag day for my VTX. Hello everybody, today I'm going to be changing bags on my Ice VTX. The bag I have on there now is a fastback bag, and it's given me years and years of great use. I originally had it on my T-Bone for about 10 years, then I switched it over to the VTX, and the other day I noticed there were small little tears on the area of the bag where it attaches to the trike, so it's time for a new bag. Joe had been using a Radical Designs Solo Racer narrow bag, and he really liked it, so I decided to go in that direction, and here is the bag. It's a Radical Designs Solo Racer narrow. It looks like it's very well made. It's made in Holland, and to mount this on the VTX, I'm going to use this Banana Racer spacer, which is a bracket that holds the bag off the chain on the trike. And Joe has one of these, and he has one of these bags, and he highly recommends it. He's been using one for about 8 months, and he's had no complaints whatsoever. He likes the amount of space. From the looks of it, I'm going to double the amount of space compared to what I have on my fastback, and so that should be convenient. So let's get busy putting this bag on the trike. First thing to do, take off the old bag and put on the Banana Racer spacer. Let's check it out. It had been a long time since I had gone bag shopping for one of my bikes or trikes, so I experienced a bit of sticker shock as I perused the options. I had originally purchased the fastback bag for around $60 back around 2004, so I was surprised to see it selling for $120 these days. The Solo Racer was even more expensive at $150 plus the $40 for the Racer spacer. Spending $40 for a bracket was almost too much for my frugal mind to accept, but I told myself it was less than a round of golf these days. I felt a little better. What's this attached to? I don't know. Okay, it looks like from the diagram we want to put the spacer on the top set of holes here, and these are Allen wrench bolts. We'll put a little rubber grommet in there first. Stick it in the seat. Come look, check over here, Joe. I'm going to put these in here. And here's the other one. Then from underneath, put the spacer in. There are, whoops. There's the spacer. Now I have to hold that. This is where you always need an extra set of hands. Washer and the nut. See if I can get in there and do this. I don't see how this can be done with. Okay, let's try this again. On goes the spacer. The nut pops right up out of there. I'm going to hold that. Now let's see. I think I've got it. I think I've got it. Okay. There's one. Washer first, then the. No, these aren't nylocks. They're just. I think I'm going to get some chain grease on me no matter how I do this. Okay. Time for the Allen wrench. Why is that? Why is that not working? might be why you need the 8mm wrench to hold the... Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it won't. Okay, you get to it tightens to a certain degree, and then you're gonna need a wrench. Let's get a wrench. Okay, we've got our 8mm wrench. I don't really want to over tighten these. That should do. Okay, there you have the banana racer spacer on there. Okay, now I'm going to mount the bags, and I think Joe just goes over the mesh. He seemed to think that worked better for him, so I'm going to try that. And there you go, that was easy. The bags are well off the trike on both sides. Wow, that was easy once you got that banana racer spacer on there. Okay, all the only thing left to do is cut the tags off. And I am ready for action. Cool. All right. The bag sure looks handsome on the trike, and if you watch one of our last videos on flag drag, it looks like it even acts like a rear fairing, increasing aerodynamics a bit and smoothing out the flow of air around the rear wheel. I hope to see some slightly faster times on my Strava feed. Thanks for watching, everybody.